Welcome back to Manal TastyFood. Let's make delightful tea biscuits together. Let's build the foundation of our biscuits. Let's start our recipe. We'll add a half cup of water, followed a half cup of oil, a half cup of sugar, and don't forget to sprinkle in that magical touch with a half teaspoon of vanilla. Thoroughly blend these ingredients in an electric blender until they are seamlessly combined. Now, for the flour mixture, achieve perfection by adding 3 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of starch. Enhance the rise with a small teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually, we incorporate these dry. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Now, let's dive back into creating these amazing tea biscuits. Slowly incorporate the liquids into the dry flour mixture, kneading until a soft and smooth dough takes shape. Now, I've got a soft and smooth dough that doesn't stick to my hands. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. Now, I'm going to cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Once the dough has had time to relax, I'll roll it out using a rolling pin. I roll out the dough with a rolling pin and shape it using a cutter. My preferred shapes are circles and hearts. After cutting, I gather the remaining dough, let it rest for a while, then roll it out again with the rolling pin and reshape it once more. After rolling and shaping the dough to the desired thickness, it's time to prepare the baking sheet. Lay down a sheet of parchment paper on the baking sheet to prevent the biscuits from sticking during baking. Arrange the shaped biscuits on the tray. After placing the biscuits on the tray, gently pierce the dough's surface to avoid over-rising during baking. Final baking step, preheat the oven to 180°C, place the tray inside, and bake for 10 minutes until the bottom turns a beautiful golden brown. Homemade tea biscuits are ready to be enjoyed. Looking forward to your comments. Until the next recipe, goodbye.